So hi, my name is Harley Ortiz. I was a network manager and telecommunications manager for Nicklaus Children's Hospital. I want to say my relationship started with digital signage or DSignage when we had a need and we weren't exactly sure how to fill it. So that relationship started by wanting to bring innovation into this facility, wanting to expand and looking at what the future holds when we were trying to get there. So that relationship really evolved when we started looking at how do we bring in wayfinding, how do we bring in digital signage, how do we bring something that's interactive for our users, but also for our guests. During that time, we were in the middle of developing a new bed tower, so that is where really it kicked off for us, filling that need and not really having the direction as to where we wanted to head. This is where DSignage came in and played a role. We got with them, we started brainstorming, we started looking at how to make this technology work, and this is where they came in and they just knocked it out the park. They gave us examples, they gave us best practices, and we kept it growing from there and evolving the relationship. Once that actual atmosphere was set up, we moved forward to the next phase, looking at any piece of technology that mimicked or was parallel and running to digital signage, wayfinding, and that led us to now what we actually had at that time, which was considered called the donor wall. Unfortunately, due to politics, for whatever reason, another vendor was brought in to do that piece of it. And unfortunately, it was brought in through construction. This particular company came in, they set it up, and then they left. There was really no ongoing support. The stuff that they put in, no way to make it grow, no way to make it expand. And once again, this is where we had to leverage the DSignage relationship for them to come in, evaluate an existing piece of technology, and let's see how we can take it over so we can do it, that we can make it grow, but not only that, have the ongoing support. And that leads me to the third point of how the relationship continued to evolve with DSignage. It was the ongoing support. One of those things that you need to have working in an organization of this size is that you need that ongoing support. You need that be able to pick up the phone and call and say, I need help. And not only that, but for them to actually come on site, have that local support was key. These are things that were front-facing to our guests, front-facing to our users, and we don't want to have anything down during that time. So once again, having that relationship with DSignage and having that ongoing support was essential. You know, you want to develop these relationships, and we know, well, of course, there's going to be sales involved, but you take it a little bit further than that. We want to get creative, we want to be innovative, and this is where DSignage played a key role in doing this, because it wasn't so much about what product can they sell. It was like, how do we take a hospital that wants to be in the future to the future? And this is where DSignage played a role. Thank you.